Hello everyone, welcome back on Nest Among Us channel. Guys, I'm Ramkesh Singh, Unity game developer, YouTuber and blogger. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about that how you can follow your path. Means if there is a character or there is any spaceship or anything you want to just follow a particular path, so you can do through the code, but that will be a very time taking and it will be required lots of skills to make that kind of path. So in this tutorial we are going to learn that how we can use path that will help us to fly the ship or just to move any car or anything on the particular path. So let's start the today video. Whenever you are going on the asset store, you will get lots of things that will help you to just follow the path. My favorite thing is Bézier Path Creator. So I have used, and that's why I'm going to share with you that how you can utilize it. Very good. There are also lots of things that you can use, but that will complete most of thing, means it is suitable for us. So I'll show you that how we can do, and also I have taken the spaceship so that I can show you that how it is going to fly on the particular thing. So you can use on game, on the VR application. It would be in the paid, but it is free, so it is a very good asset. On import it and do the import thing. So just it got import, and here is the path creator. So here we got the documentation, so at a once time you can just go and visit, help you to understand the basic. So here you can see this is the anchor, this will be a controller, like you can just move from here to here, here to here. So this is the workflow and this is the anchor. And for creating much more path, so you have to just add the anchor point, and with the anchor you will get the controller. So I will show you in the scene. And here whenever you want to add anything, so you have to click shift left click to add new anchor point, and for deleting you have to double click. So this is the basic thing, and we will get this path creator. So there will be 3D 2D whatever you want to create. Also do the normals thing. Normals thing will help us to turn our spaceship. So that's it, that is not that much thing. So there are two things, that is the closed path, open path. So I will show you in the system. And here is the normal thing. You can see we are able to see the yellow part, so you can just also rotate that part, and whenever we will move anything, so that will be rotate on that direction, like where is the yellow part, yellow spikes you can call. And they have also provided the example scene, like whenever you are going in the path. So here you can see we are getting, so it is showing ping because most of tutorial is coming on the URP. So we have to convert this. So here are the materials, so just click this, go in edit, rendering, materials, and convert it. So now we are getting this. So whenever we are getting click, so here we are getting the path, and here is the path creator, so that is help us. So basically it is in 3D environment. So we have used this, and here you can see we have used the mirror. You can use the aligned or you can use free, so it's depend on that how you want your. So here you can see mirror in the, like it will be a similar on the normal, so you will be able to see, and everywhere you can see the normal, like here you can see player will be turned on this point. So let me run, you will see that how it is. So here you can see this is the use of it, and let's suppose I am just rotating this, so you will see that how it is working. Okay, object will be rotate on that particular direction, so you have to play around this. So currently I am just using this, so it is changing everywhere. There is a follower, so whatever you are going to use object, that will be your follower, and at that point you have to use for path follower, and that is in the loop because it is our loop path. If you don't want loop path, so at that time you can do the stop, like whenever it will be go on the end, so it will be stop. But sometimes what we need to check that we have reached on the last point. So at that time, at the last point, you have to add one object, and you have to calculate the distance between this object like follower and that particular point. On the basis of that you can get that it is reached or not. They have also provided the callbacks, but it is not clear, so that's why I'm saying with you. So whenever we are going closer, so it is showing a green path, and whenever I am going on the path, so here you can see we are able to see that is, I share with you, that is the anchor, and this is the control. So whenever I will move this one, so here you can see we are able to change the path. So you can, for making, so you can just increase it, but whenever you are going to increase, so the distance between these will be changed. And here is the sometimes you need to show the bounds, so just you can see the bounds, like it will help you to analyze that where we are doing. So this is the bound thing. Also increase the size of this, so whenever you will go anchor size, so you can increase, so it will be increased. So many stuff you can play around here. One thing you have to always remember, that whatever you are going to use follower, this is the z direction, so face should be in z direction, so that at that time it will be on the path side, otherwise it will not. And also there are so many examples here. You can see in the last we are also getting the this path. So whenever you want to follow the path, so we need the follower. So in the prefab you will get the follower, so just drag and drop on the follower. You have to just add the path. So here is the road creator, so just do so here you can see it is also following the path. So there are so many kind of paths. So here you can see this is the also 3D path. You can also do the 2D thing, and here is the vertex thing, so you can utilize, but the most important thing is this one. It is a very small. So here we have one spaceship. From a spaceship we can take one spaceship, and here you can see our path is very small in compared to our spaceship. So what we can do, we can add one by one anchor and then increase. And another way is just you can click here and increase the size of this path. So I have added the path and decrease the speed, so that we can see our spaceship is just flying in a great way. So you can see it's looking great. So this is the way you can make your spaceship fly in the environment or anything, but there will be no any control of player. So that's it for today's tutorial. See you in next video, and hope you enjoy the video. Bye bye, take care, see you in next video.